Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are riding our bikes downtown to Midland for the Memorial Day Parade. It starts at 10, and usually we're not here for this because we're out camping, but we went camping last weekend, so we decided to spend this weekend at home. It was probably better that we did that because it rained the last 2 days, and today's actually pretty nice. So now instead of spending the day driving home on the only nice day, we get to spend the day out enjoying it. So yeah, stick around, we'll get some shots from the parade and maybe a few shots downtown, and hope you enjoy the video. So this is a new park that just got put in last year, and if you're wondering what all these little white tubes are, Stacy and I helped the nature center put these in, and they're to protect the new trees they planted from getting eaten by the deer. They're called like solar tree tubes, so it makes like a little safe like greenhouse environment for the trees to grow in until they're big enough to hold their own against the wildlife. But it's a nice way to get across the river without having to go on the traffic bridge. And they also built this bridge last year. It's for bikes and walking. What? Left.
She looks angry. Huh?
I guess it's going.
I know.
Yeah, but you sat in one of those too at the Northwoods Auto Show.
I don't remember that. How can you sit in one?
Hey guys, so we finished the parade, watching that, and now we rode our bikes out to the Avril Nature Preserve, and we're just checking that out, and then we're gonna go ride back into Midland and maybe find something to eat. Not a whole lot's open today because of Memorial Day, but if not, we'll just ride back home and get some food there. This is a cool little place though, along the rail trail between Midland and Sanford. So now we are following Adeline back to Midland. Stacy back there, keeping up on the e-bike. Hey. Hey guys, so we ended up stopping for lunch at the Midland Brewing Company. It's a little brewery right along the rail trail on Saginaw Road, just outside of Midland. Had a nice cheeseburger, and Stacy and Alan shared a sandwich and some fries, and it was a good lunch. Also had the Rollway IPA, that was pretty good. And now we're heading back home. Oh yeah, and me and Alan and Stacy shared some spicy fried pickles, but they weren't super spicy. She said they tasted like black pepper. We got some deer crossing the trail up here. Hey guys, we just got back home. A lot of wind on the way home we were riding into, but other than that, not too bad. We had a good day, nice ride. Now it's time to get some yard work done since our grass hasn't been cut for a couple weeks and it was raining the last 2 days. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you'll stick around and subscribe to the channel and keep following us along on our adventures. Thanks for watching.